Camper time. We need to charge stuff, pack clothes, pack groceries, and load up the mini quad. Let's go. Made it. Got Mama to go to the store. She went a little nuts. Let's see how stocked it is. Couldn't find the things for the Rams in Canadian Tire, so, but look. Right to the end, right to the top, right to the roof. It is stocked. Water hooked up. Remember how I said there were water jugs here? I had to get my other flashlight. This light is not enough. I need some GoPro lights. What is it? Outdoor Boys uses? He uses, I believe Luke uses rechargeable bicycle lights. So I might check out his setup and do something like that. I'll give you a little look inside. Mama's putting stuff in the fridge there now, and go in and start helping unpack. See you guys in the morning. Good morning, everyone. Can you guess what's first? Coffee and the kettle for Mama. Got one of my batteries charging here. There we go. Start the generator for the coffee now. I think what I might have to do later on in the summer, if we keep on taking this generator back, I'm gonna have to tip up the little generator shed and bring this cord over here and put it on this side or over on that side, because the pull cord is here and the plug-in is on over here. Now on our other generator, that's why it's over there. The pull cord was here and the plug-in was up on that side. Let's go. Ah, goodness. It was on camera too. Nice. We're looking good. Nice. All right, let's start the coffee and see how much it drowns out the generator. I don't know if you can hear it. I'll put you back by the generator so you can listen. Oh, the kettle's boiling? Alright, I got it. Well, it wasn't as dramatic as I thought. Our other generator sounds like the spark plug's gonna blow out of her. Okay, we're gonna take out the benches now.
Mine are not waterproof, they're training shoes.
Yeah.
You gotta walk through a puddle in the gym, you're having a hard time. Well, if we put them there, they might end up getting mowed down.
It's a big leopard slug. What you got, girlie?
A frog.
Nice.
Little baby one.
That's cute. Poppy's bike. What?
After I eat my lunch, can we go and get stuff out?
Going for a little bike ride, and then the girls want lunch. I'm gonna race you. We just need a little guy to be able to ride bike now, and then we can ride around town, home. Because we all got bikes. Crash up, bump.
I'm gonna stand up for this.
I feel that juice.
Cutting in a straight line is.
Oh, I can see it. I can see it.
This knife is
Oh,
more
that is
bendy.
so juicy.
Wow.
Okay, I got mine. I'm gonna get a spoon.
Juicy. Hey!
Good. Good, girlie. Struggling with it, Mama?
Yes.
Trying to cut a watermelon with a bread knife.
I
Doesn't work because it keeps wobbling. You want more watermelon? So good. Wow. Mmm. Watermelon is absolutely delicious. Mama cut some good watermelon. Ooh, it's warm. Just played with the kids, played baseball and soccer, and tackled and played swords with the noodles. Now we're going to get some ice cream. Ice cream!
Hold on, buddy.
This little shop, they got all kinds of vacuum sealed packaged meat, and they got nice little beach trinkets. It's from driftwood on the beach.
A cotton
That looks
candy and
yummy.
a cup. That was for me.
Newfoundland trinkets and stuff, all sewing machine. It's pretty cool. Ooh, it's a big lobster claw. I don't know if that's real or not, but. And freeze this way. And freeze.
Right now, the emergency thing is hit and the key is off. You got to make sure you always turn off the key, because stand up. When the key is on, the light's on here. And look behind you. You got to hold it until the engine catches, okay? You'll understand that. There you go.
Was that much better?
It was.
We rode on the quad with the kids for a bit. We chatted for a bit, and now we're sitting down for some supper. We got clubhouse sandwiches and some Caesar salad. Forgot the Caesar dressing. My wife mixed up the, what is it?
Lettuce, ranch, and cheese. And it is delicious.
It's super yummy. We're all done supper, and we're getting ready to go do some fishing. We're gonna go to the same spot we were in our last camper video, out on that wharf. And we got our good rods this time. Last time we just had whatever was here between our camper and what Poppy had in his shed. Mama's is all ready. Now normally we use worms, but last time Mama hooked them without worms, so we're gonna try that.
Eating the glove.
We're just here getting ready to go fishing. And the bunny rabbit comes out, start eating the baseball glove. It's really eating the glove. Look, right there. That's where the bunny chewed onto it. What'd you find?
A baby
Ooh,
fish.
and what else you find?
A ball.
Oh, nice.
Oh no! All right, lift up.
You got one, girly.
That's a good pan
That's
one.
a good size one.
Do not walk. Try to guess.
Oh.
Good job, buddy. Look at Mama's hood. There's a bit of flies.
Salmon peel.
Nice little salmon peel. Oh, we had a few bites. Never caught anything big. Just little girl caught one. And we had a couple of salmon peels that we can't keep.
Me a bit. Boom.
It did, yeah.
Oh,
It was quite aggressive. It was awesome. Oh.
very well.
Made it back from fishing and we put the kids to bed. Me and Mama's out by the fire now waiting for everyone else to come out. We're having a little lunch.
I'm down here now. I don't care what happens now. We gotta put something here, he says.
No, nice and cozy here tonight. We're having a nice fire.
It does good in there. That's a big tree, but it don't.
Ooh, my head. Almost struck my head on the thing. Almost struck my head on the shelf. So it's next day and we're over here trying to get my aunt and uncle's satellite. Trying to twist the satellite up on the ladder. And trying to get a signal. They keep twisting it to try to find the satellite. I'm taking a little break and Mama's up trying it there now. The wife downloaded a satellite finder app.
The magnet in that messed with the compass.
Did it really?
It's because there's a microphone in that too.
Oh yeah. We go see what the girls are doing. So they're having a fire. Hi, girlie.
Daddy?
What? Hey, buddy. Would you like?
I'm summer.
Okay, all gone. Eat the marshmallow. Yummy. Oh no.
I'm looking for Nimic 6, but I don't see it on there, so.
That's the satellite app, how she finds it.
The longer you're at it, the worse it.
She did it, just like everything else. That's awesome.
None of your input either, just bam, silent.
Yes.
Let's go.
Good job, babe.
Now we gotta let it
I'd
find
expect
stuff, right?
nothing less. Her aunt and uncle got us some supper. Finally got the satellite all done. We ran the cable up through because the connection outside wasn't working right. Ready? Oh, now that was a good crack.
You're giving me a headache.
Try to crack one more spot.
I need help.
Hey.
How many weeks you get summer?
We say? For the whole year I get 5. Yeah.
Well, good morning. It's a beautiful summer morning. Got the kettle on for Mama and some baking going. Nice, you got a bit of freedom here. We got my parents on one side and my aunt and uncle on the other side, so it's perfect. You can run back and forth.
I didn't.
No? Okay.
You should try this recipe at home.
So we put out the awning and Mama's giving a little scrub with the broom because, like anything wrapped up in water, it's gonna start mold. It's not permanent mold. Like does it seem like it's coming off it?
Does it look like it?
It looks like it, yeah.
Yes, it's perfect.
So like you see right here, and you can see here where she's after scrubbing. But Mama got the awning cleaned up really nice. They got rid of all the, oh, sorry babe. Got rid of all the little black startings of mold. And we got the deck cleaned as well. Putting traps over the furnace vent to keep rodents from going in. Preventative maintenance. Pause. Yeah? This strip right here fell off. I'm gonna put a dab at E6000 up top and then tape it up. Just put the tape there to hold it for now and take the tape off after. Fit it in first. Ouch. Oh, that's hot. Hot on the feet. You just fit it in like this. Fit it all the way down through. What? We bit you on the nose. Oh my goodness. All fit back in right nice. Hello, Buster. Hi, buddy. Oh, you got bites too. He got bites too, Mama. So one little girl got bit on the nose, one got bit on the belly, and then the little guy comes over. Oh, yeah, bit too. I don't think he did, but make some turkey wraps for me and Mama, and then we're gonna mow the lawn. So Who needs a butter knife? Voila! We're all finished lunch and Mama's gonna mow the lawn and I'm gonna go around with the whippersnipper so that all the wet grass is dried by the time we get back from the beach. That's all done. Camera's covered and stuff.
We're going to get ice cream. We're going to get ice cream.
I don't think so.
He said, do you think?
Yeah, I said, do you think it's snow?
I don't think that's snow here.
It is snow.
Nice little spring they got here over in the cabin road. And spring water. Whew, soaking it. We'll fill up these water jugs and we'll see you at the beach. Some ice cream and a couple of us want some slushies.
Only 3 want slushy.
Yeah? I think you like slushy? Mm-hmm. You girly, you like slushy? Yeah? Here you go. Here you go, buddy. What do you say? You're welcome.
Do you like the ice cream?
Ice cream, buddy.
Buttermilk, because I don't like my
Oh,
Sweet?
yeah, I'm stuck with my knee.
That's why you should take time.
Pretty
sip
sweet.
at a time.
Beautiful down here. That's where we fish, right over there. That wharf. And this is where we always go swimming.
Next to
Oh!
that cold.
Cold!
I'll get you next week.
Mm.
Aw, you saved them. Bird don't get in the water that many times. Wow.
So many little tadpoles. You did it! So later on the summer, all of that is going to be beach and a little, maybe a little tiny brook right here. And over this way, this brook is the brook that we get our water from up at our camper. If you follow this up, you'll go to where our camper is. Look how deep it is. You can jump right off the bank here if you avoid the stick. So there's a little fish there. Oh. Water was a little bit warmer, I'd be getting in. A little too cold. A couple weeks ago, I'd say there was ice in here. It's not that deep over there. Current is taking her a little bit. Woo, it's chilly. Not bad after your legs get numb. Okay. That is pretty cool. The leech. He swims to my foot. All done at the beach. Going back for some supper now. Catch up today. I eat my burgers upside down. There's some dishes outside. Oh, it's clean. Got the cup towel and dishcloth drying. Bless you.
Oh, don't throw that in yet though. Wait till the fire's really going.
You buddy, you by the fire? Put some stone there in front of the shed because it's a bit muddy. Now, Mama's throwing some sand there, filling the holes. This is where the generator shed used to be, and this is where a rock was. We're getting the old sand out of the kids' sandbox that Nanny and Poppy got over here, and they want to get new sand. Doing a good job, Mama. More. Got celebration cookies. Go with that. And marshmallow.
No, she'll lift her water in the truck. She drinks them on the way and then on the way back.
They make spider wieners.
We always used to stop in and get like, no one can say what we get to be. So why don't we
Something.
how can we say no one can say what we get to be.
Robin?
So why don't we Is it impossible? Is it impossible?
That's it for this video. We'll see you in part 2 where we get stranded on the beach because our truck won't start. We gotta get towed back to our camper. We gotta send the truck to the garage because we can't figure out what's wrong with it.
We play an extreme game of hide and seek while getting a bird's eye view of our campsite. We have a lovely family time at the library. And as always, Mom and Dad are feeding us like kings and queens.
We hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure to check out the At Home Dad Life YouTube channel where we have more videos and a ton more to come in the future. If you want to see our latest video and be the first to know, make sure to
Subscribe!